Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore the WooCommerce Order History Communication plugin. It allows customers to ask questions about their orders, send attachments, and keep track of every message related to their purchases. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Now, let's see the admin workflow. First, click on Admin Login. Then, go to Webkul WooCommerce add-on. Click on Settings. Here, the General Settings page will open. The first option is Module Status. You can enable or disable the communication module as per your needs. If the option is enabled, the module's functionality will work. If it is disabled, the functionality will not work. The next option is Allowed Order Status. You can select which order statuses allow customers to comment. You can select different statuses as required. The next option is Send Mail to Admin. Enable this so the admin receives an email when a customer comments. The Send Mail to Customer option, when enabled, notifies the customer when the admin responds. The Send Mail Attachment option allows you to send attachments with emails. The Allow File Type option lets you choose which file formats are permitted. There are different file types you can select. The Disable Order Chat option allows you to select specific orders for which the chat will be disabled. The Disable User Chat option allows the admin to disable communication for specific customers if needed by selecting the customer's name. The last option is Allow File Size, where you can set the maximum file size allowed for attachments. The default size is 500 KB. After making all changes, click on Save Changes to apply the updated settings. Now the setup is done. Let's see how it works from the customer's point of view. Customers can raise concerns or share comments by first clicking on Customer Login. Then log in with the customer credentials and click the Login button. Click on Orders, then click the View button. The Order Detail page will open. Here, the customer can initiate a chat with the admin. Scroll down to continue the chat and add a comment. The customer can also attach media by clicking the Upload button. After entering the message and attaching files if needed, click on Add to send the comment. As you can see, the message is transferred to the admin. Now let's see how the admin responds. Go back to the admin panel, then go to WooCommerce Orders. Open the respective order. The admin can see the customer's message, reply to it, and also attach multiple files while responding. Admins can attach files by clicking the plus button and finally clicking Add to send the message. Once sent, the message is delivered. The admin can also enable or disable the chat directly from the order page. Both the admin and the customer will receive email notifications for every message exchanged. This ensures smooth and timely communication regarding any order-related issue. That's all for the WooCommerce Order History Communication module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.